Let's chant Om 3 times. For Om, take a long deep breath in. And join your hands in front of chest for prayer. Om Sahanavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhitam Astu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Move your name and relax your hands. Place on each palm facing to the sky and relax. Take a long deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. So today we will do 6 pranayamas and followed by 1 meditation. So let's start with yogic breath. Yogic breath, क्या है? Yogic breath is a combination of 3 breath. ठीक है ना मिता जी? That is abdomen breath, chest breath and clavicle breath. इसको हम shoulder bone बोल सकते हैं. तो इन तीनों का combination है full yogic breath. तो first हम सीखेंगे abdomen breath. Abdomen breath क्या है? Place your left hand over the navel and feel the movement of your abdomen in and out. So when you breathe in, your abdomen will come out, and while you breathe out, your navel go towards your spine. So you can feel just placing your hand over your navel region. So place your hands on navel region and take a normal breathing. You can feel your abdomen coming out and hold and slowly breathe out. You can feel your palm going towards the spine when navel move towards the spine. Breathe out fully. Once again, breathe in. You can feel your navel coming out, hands going away from the spine. Continue, breathe out. Feel the navel going towards the spine. Once again, breathe in. Expand your abdomen. Fully expand. And while breathe out, pull your navel towards the spine. So this is called abdomen breathing. Now we will do chest breathing. Chest breathing, what we will do is just place your hands on the chest and breathe in. Expand your chest. You can feel the expansion of your chest area. अपनी छाती का रीजन को बाहर आते हुए देख सकते हैं, महसूस कर सकते हैं. And breathe out. Relax. Once again, breathe in. उसमें पूरा लंग्स को फिल अप किया जाता है. And breathe out. Breathe in. Fill up your lungs. Breathe out. Relax. अभी हम दोनों एब्डोमेन ब्रीथिंग और चेस्ट ब्रीथिंग को कंबाइन करेंगे. तो वन प्लेस योर वन हैंड ऑन द नेवल रीजन एंड अदर हैंड ऑन द चेस्ट रीजन एंड ब्रीथ इन. Feel first expand your abdomen slowly. Keep expanding your abdomen, and now when abdomen fully extended, keep breathing in and extend your chest. You can feel the expansion of chest, feel the lungs fully. Keep your abdomen expanded, chest out, hold, and slowly breathe out. First, relax your chest. Continue breathing out. And relax your abdomen, pull your navel towards the spine, keep breathing out. Once again, breathe in. Expand your abdomen. Continue breathing in. Expand your chest. Feel the expansion on your chest region. Breathe out. First, relax your chest and relax your abdomen. Pull navel towards the spine. Once more, breathe in. Expand your abdomen. You can feel the expansion of your navel region and your hands moving away from the spine. Continue breathing in and expand your chest. And breathe out. Relax. Relax your chest, relax your abdomen. Now pull it towards the spine and take a normal breathing and relax. Now final breathing is shoulder breathing और इसको clavicle breathing बोल सकते हैं, जिसमें हम दोनों abdomen breathing, chest breathing, and finally when you feel you can't take breathing more, that time try to breathe in little more and expand your shoulder, slightly lift it up. जैसे first breathe in and expand your abdomen. When fully expanded your abdomen, keep breathing in, expand your chest, fill up your lungs fully. And now when you feel that your lungs fully filled up, take little more breathing and keeping your abdomen expanded, chest expanded, lift up your collarbone up. अपने कंधों को थोड़ा ऊपर उठाइए and hold. Keep holding. 3, 2, 1. Now relax the shoulder first. Start breathing out. Slowly, धीरे से shoulder नीचे आएगा. Keep relaxing your chest and continue breathe out. Relax your abdomen and pull your navel towards the spine. Just 2-3 times. Once again, breathe in. Expand your abdomen. Keep breathing in. Expand your chest and finally lift up your collarbone up. Hold. Start breathing out, relax your shoulder, relax your chest, relax your abdomen, pull your navel towards the spine. Once again, breathe in. Expand your abdomen, keep breathing in, expand your chest and lungs fully filled up. Take little more breathing. Lift up your collarbone up, hold. 3, 2, 1, slowly breathe out, relax your chest. Shoulder, relax your chest, relax your abdomen, navel towards the spine. And normal breathing and relax your hands. Place your knees, palm facing to the sky, eye closed. Keep breathing in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. हम जो ये प्राणायाम कर रहे हैं इनको एनर्जाइजिंग ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज भी कहते हैं, जो हमारे शरीर में एनर्जी बढ़ाते हैं. सो नेक्स्ट वी विल डू अग्निसार. For Agnisar, what we will do? First, keep your both hands on the knees, palm facing downward. Keep your elbow straight so your spine get erect automatically. Chin parallel to the ground. First, take a normal breathing and breathe out. Whenever you breathe in, your navel should come out. पेट आपका बाहर आना चाहिए. जब हम बोलते हैं ना नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग में क्या होता है कि हम अपना चेस्ट लंग्स को फिल अप करते हैं and breathe out. And when you keep telling it, take a long deep breath in, then first fill up your lungs and keep breathing, expand your abdomen, chest and fill up your lungs. This time long deep breath में पूरा आपका abdomen region and chest region पूरा ऑक्सीजन से भर जाता है. So when you breathe out, it's go longer. So let's breathe out slowly. You can feel. So long deep breath में हमारा abdomen and chest fully filled up with the oxygen. Now we will do Agnisar. For Agnisar एक बार देख लीजिएगा. दोनों हाथ घुटने के ऊपर, elbow straight, दोनों कोहनियां सीधी. आपका शरीर ऑटोमेटिक सीधा हो जाएगा. Spine erect. Bring your chin parallel to the ground. Keep a smile on face. First take a normal breathing and breathe out. अग्निसार के लिए क्या करना है? सांस लेते हुए अपने बॉडी को पीछे लेके जाना है और ऊपर देखना है. Slightly look up. Now start breathing out and bend from your hip region. Push your knee down. धीरे धीरे अपने शरीर को आगे की तरफ झुकाएंगे एंड ब्रीथ आउट फ्रॉम माउथ फुल्ली। पुल योर नोज टुवर्ड्स द स्पाइन एंड होल्ड योर ब्रेथ आउटसाइड। अभी सांस लेना नहीं है, सांस बाहर ही रोक के रखना है। एंड ब्रिंग योर चिन टू द चेस्ट एंड पुश योर knee downward and slowly come up, keeping your navel towards the spine. And now keep your chin to the chest, navel inside, and now move your navel in and out. Now slowly breathe in, bring your chin parallel to the ground, head in upright position and breathe out. इसमें हमारा जो एब्डोमेन रीजन है, ये हमारे अग्निसार का मुख्य काम है, हमारा पाचन शक्ति को बढ़ाना। आप जब भी अग्निसार प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, देखेंगे आपके शरीर में इंस्टेंट एनर्जी आती है और आपको शरीर में पूरा गर्मी का महसूस होता है। सो लेट्स डू 3 times, both hands on knees, palm facing downward, elbow straight, spine erect, chin parallel to the ground. First take a normal breath in and breathe out. For Agnisar, slowly breathe in, look up, bend forward from your hip region, breathe out fully from mouth. Hold the breath outside, chin to the chest. Keep pushing your knee down and come up. Your navel towards the spine. Now move your navel in and out. And when you can't hold the breath, slowly breathe in. Bring your head in upright position, chin parallel to the ground, breathe out and relax. Once again, breathe in, look up, slightly go behind. Bend forward from hip region, breathe out fully from mouth. Chin to the chest. Keep pushing your knee down. Pull your navel towards the spine, come up. And now move your navel out and in. And when you feel can't hold the breath, slowly breathe in. Come up, bring your chin parallel to the ground, head in upright position, breathe out and relax. Now hands on knees, palm facing to the sky, keep your eye closed and relax. Long deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. Next, we will do Kapalbhati, 3 rounds, 20 times in each rounds. So let's start Kapalbhati. For Kapalbhati, let's get ready. First, both hands on knees, palm facing downward, elbow straight, spine erect, chin parallel to the ground. And first, take a normal breath in and breathe out. Kapalbhati is forceful breathe out and automatic breathing. In Kapalbhati, you have to breathe out forceful, and when you lift your navel, relax, you will breathe in automatically. And while you breathe out, pull your navel towards the spine. So let's first take a normal breath in and breathe out. Normal breath in and start with forceful breathe out and navel towards the spine. So let's start. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and relax, hands on knees, palm facing to the sky, keep breathing in and breathe out. Keep your eye closed, take a long deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. Now get ready for second round. Once again, hands on knees, palm facing downward, elbow straight, spine erect, chin parallel to the ground. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Upor Kapalbhati, normal breathe in and start with forceful breathe out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and relax. Eye close, hands on knees, palm facing to the sky. Relax, keep breathing in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. Keep breathing in. Take a long deep breath in, breathe out, and get ready for third and final round of Kapalbhati. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. For Kapalbhati, normal breath in and start with forceful breath out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and relax. Hands on knees, palm facing to the sky, eye closed, and relax. Take a long deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. You can feel the energy increasing inside your body and relax. Take a long deep breath. Once again and breathe out. Now let's come out from Sukhasana and sitting Vajrasana for Bhastrika. Both knee together, both toe together and behind, heels apart, buttocks between your heels, spine erect, chin parallel to the ground, both hands on the knee. Keep your hands facing to the sky. Take a normal breathing and breathe out. Let's get ready for first round of Bhastrika. In each round we will do 20 times. So let's get ready. Loose fist in front of shoulder, making fist with keeping your thumb between your palm and 4 fingers closed. Both elbow close to the body and relax. Take long deep breath in, breathe out. For Bhastrika with full jaws, with hand raising, keeping the smile on face. Breathe in, up, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, continue. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and relax. Keep your eye closed, hands on knees, palm facing to the sky. Relax. Keep breathing in and breathe out. Take a long deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. Let's get ready for second round of Bhastrika. Once again, loose fist in front of shoulder, elbow close to the body, spine erect, chin parallel to the ground. Must keep a gentle smile on face. First, take a normal breath in and breathe out. For Bhastrika with full jaws, keeping a smile on face. Breathe in, up, out, in, 2, 3, 4, continue, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and relax. Take a long deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. Now, slowly and gently place your both hands on the mat and extend your hands forward as much as you can. Both hands on mat, palm facing downward. Now slowly come down and place your forehead on the mat and relax in Siswasana. Keep breathing in and breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep breathing in and breathe out. Another version of Siswasana. Bring your both hands behind and press it besides your foot, palm facing to the sky. Keep your forehead on the mat. Keep breathing in and breathe out. Keep breathing in and breathe out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly breathe in. Bring your hands over the knees. Slowly breathe in and come up. Relax. Take a long deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. Let's come up on your knees. Let's do half backward bending and followed by we'll do Ustrasana. So first place your both hands on the hip, finger pointing downward, and gently press your hip slightly forward. Push your pelvic forward, look up, and continue, breathe out and bend your head behind. Look behind, hold the position, keep breathing in and breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly breathe in. Raise your head up, breathe out, and relax your hands. Hips, on knees. Take a long deep breath in and breathe out. Relax. Now from here we will do Ustrasana. Slowly breathe in. Raise your right hand up, breathe out, and bring your right hand down and hold your right heel with the right hand. Once again, breathe in. Left hand up, breathe out, and bring your left hand down over the left heel. And push your pelvic forward. Spread your abdomen, look behind. Spread your chest. Feel a stretch on your shoulder and forward leg region. Keep breathing in and breathe out. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly breathe in. And raise your left hand up, breathe out, left hand down, Once again, breathe in, right hand up, and breathe out, right hand down. Now slowly bring your hip down. Once again, extend your hands forward, hold it on the mat, and relax in Sushumna. Take a long deep breath in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly breathe in. Bring your hands close to the knees, hands on knees, and slowly breathe out. Relax your body and open your eyes. And come out from Vajrasana and sit in Sukhasana once again. Let's do cooling breathing exercise. We will do two cooling breathing exercise, that is called Nadi Shodhan and Bhramari. So first we will do Bhramari. For Bhramari we will do in Sanmukhi Mudra. So first raise your hands and place your thumb over your ear flaps. दोनों कानों के फ्लैप के ऊपर अपना थंब लगा सकते हैं. आप देख सकते हैं ये है फ्लैप. एंड press and slowly and gently press your thumb towards your ear hole. Now slowly bring your index finger over the eyes. अपना इंडेक्स फिंगर को दोनों आंखों के ऊपर, मिडिल फिंगर ओवर द आई नोज, index finger, ring finger over the upper lips below the nostril. Nostril will be open, and little finger comes over the chin below the lower lips. And now breathe in and extend your elbows in line with the shoulder, chest out, and first take a normal breathing and breathe out. We will do 6 times Bhramari. For Bhramari, first take a long deep breath in, hold, and while breathe out, do humming sound, and same time move your thumb in and out and feel the breaking humming sound inside your mind, inside your body. So let's breathe out with humming sound. Once again, breathe in. Breathe in fully. Once again. And normal breathing. Release your hands. Place on knees, palm facing to the sky. And relax. Keep breathing in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. And you can open your eyes. Take a long deep breath once again. and breathe out. Next we will do Nadi Shodhan. For Nadi Shodhan, left hand on Chin Mudra, keeping your index finger and thumb together, making circle with the both fingers. Place 3 fingers together and place your hand over the left knee. Bring your right hand in Nasagra Mudra. Right hand on the right nostril, index finger, middle finger between your eyebrows. And ring finger and little finger over the left nostril. First, take a normal breathe in and breathe out. Once again, breathe in. Now close your right nostril and breathe out from left nostril. Breathe in from left. Close your left, breathe out from right. Fully breathe out. Now close your right. No, sorry, breathe in from right only. Then fully breathe in, close your right, open your left, and breathe out. What are completed? Next, do another 5 rounds. Continue on your own. Breathe out, and when you completed your 6th round, relax your hands. Keep your eye closed. Press on. The hands on this, palm facing to the sky. Keep your eye closed and continue breathing in and breathe out. Keep breathing in and breathe out. Keep breathing in and breathe out. Today we'll do one meditation. So keep breathing in and breathe out. Keep your eye closed. Long deep breath in and breathe out. Keep breathing in and breathe out. Once again, long deep breath in and breathe out. So the meditation we'll do is Ram Dhyan meditation. So keep breathing in and breathe out. One sound will come. Just follow the sound, keep your eye closed and
ज्योति आत्म ज्योति हमारे भीतर जो प्रकाश है, हमारे हृदय में जो प्रकाश है, वही राम है। राम हमेशा हमारे हृदय में जगमगा रहे हैं। आज हम राम ध्यान करते हैं। चलिए हम सीधा बैठ जाते हैं, आराम से बैठ जाएंगे। रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधा रखेंगे, चिन मुद्रा में बैठ जाते हैं, आंखें बंद कर लेंगे। आंखें बंद करके हम अपने शरीर को ही देखेंगे। आपका ये शरीर ईश्वर से प्राप्त अद्भुत देन है। अपने ही शरीर को मन ही मन सम्मान करें। यह शरीर ही अयोध्या नगरी है, ये वध करने लायक नहीं है। यह शरीर पवित्र मंदिर है। अब अपना ध्यान शरीर के केंद्र है नाभि, नाभि पर ले जाते हैं। एक गहरी सांस लीजिए और धीरे धीरे सांस छोड़ें। शरीर को और ढीला छोड़ें। शरीर के भीतर बाहर वायु तत्व है, इस वायु तत्व को स्मरण करें। वायु तत्व को नमन करते हुए गहरी सांस लीजिए। रोकिए और धीरे धीरे इस वायु तत्व को विदा करें। जैसे किसी मेहमान को हम स्वागत करते हैं, ऐसे हम अपनी ही श्वास को आदर से स्वागत करें। आदर पूर्वक श्वास लीजिए, भर लीजिए सांसों से, रोकें। जैसे प्रिय मेहमान को थोड़ी देर रोकते हैं हम, वो जाना चाहते हैं, वो कहते नहीं रुक जाइए आप, रोकिए, फिर उनको विदा करते हैं। धीरे धीरे विदा करें सांस को। फिर एक बार इसी प्रक्रिया को जारी रखते हैं। आदर पूर्वक सांस लीजिए, पूरे शरीर को भर लें, उनको पूरे शरीर का एक एक कोने दिखा दें और रोकें जितने देर रोक सकते हैं, फिर उनको विदा करें। स्नेहपूर्ण विदाई हो इसी वायु भगवान को। फिर एक गहरी सांस लीजिए। वायु घर के कोने कोने को शुद्ध कर देता है और उस सांस को ओम के साथ बाहर छोड़ेंगे। ओम। फिर एक गहरी सांस लीजिए, भावपूर्ण श्वास लीजिए। अब इस सांस की विदाई ओमकार के जरिए करते हैं। ओम। मेहमान को हम उपहार देते हैं, वही उपहार होगा अद्भुत ओंकार। फिर एक गहरी सांस लीजिए, रोकें। अब विश्राम करें। अब अपना ध्यान नाभि पर रखें। यह सूर्य ग्रंथि है नाभि के ऊपर, सोलार प्लेक्सस कहते हैं, वहां पर ध्यान रखें। सूर्य वंश के हैं श्री रामचंद्र, वो रघुकुल के हैं। वो सूर्य पर ध्यान दीजिए। सूर्य ग्रंथि नाभि पर ध्यान रखें। मन को पेट के भीतर, नाभि के भीतर ले जाएं, परत दर परत अपना ध्यान धीरे धीरे पेट के केंद्र में चले जाए। शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दें, विश्राम करें। अब सांस लीजिए। सांस छोड़ते वक्त हम राम 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 का ध्वनि करते हैं। राम 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 राम। थोड़ा तेजी से राम 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 राम। उच्च स्वर से राम 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 राम। और तेजी से राम 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 राम। राम 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 राम। और तेजी से राम 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 राम। विश्राम करें, आंखें बंद रखें, विश्राम करें। श्री रामचंद्र प्रकाश रूप से हमारे भीतर हैं। इस भाव से विश्राम करें। जो भी विचार आ रहे हो आने दें। इस वक्त कुछ भी नहीं करना, केवल विश्राम। सब प्रयत्न छोड़कर विश्राम करें। फिर एक बार राम नाम का ध्वनि धून करेंगे। राम 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 राम। श्री राम। विश्राम करें। इस वक्त ना ही कुछ करना है, ना ही कुछ जानना है। अपने आप में विश्राम। आत्मा राम में विश्राम। ओम शांति शांति शांति। धीरे से शरीर और परिसर के प्रति सजग होते होते आंखें खोल सकते हो। So let's sit comfortably, easily. And let's keep our gaze at 30 degrees.